talking all things of life with the Walker family. Today we're making some homemade blueberry French toast. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started with the bread. Nevaeh went and made some delicious homemade bread. Her first time ever making it, but it tastes good. It just didn't turn out the best. But I decided, well, actually Nate suggested that I make French toast with it. So I was like, oh, that would be a great idea. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to use it to make French toast. It's sweet. It has like a little sugar in it. I'm going to put the link to that recipe down below. I believe she got it off of Pinterest, like platedcravings.com or something like that. I'm going to put it in the description, so make sure you check that out. Again, we're making blueberry French toast with homemade bread that Nevaeh made, guys. So amazing. And then we're going to make a blueberry compote and some nice crispy potatoes in the oven. Y'all know I love my potatoes. And if you didn't, you should go check out that fried egg recipe that I posted if you haven't seen it. Some fried eggs will go good with this. Stay tuned. I'll be back in a moment, guys. Back in a moment. Okay, let's add 1.5 cups of blueberries, frozen, fresh, or dried is okay. A quarter cup, we'll start with a quarter cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Put it in a pot on medium-high heat and bring it to a boil. You can add sugar as you go, taste as you go. You don't know how sweet you want it until you're in it. So as you can see, I brought it to a boil. And then while it's at this low boil, I'm going to add in something I call a cornstarch slurry. All I did was add a tablespoon of cornstarch to a tablespoon of cold water. And then I mixed it really well. And then I brought the blueberries back up to a boil and turned it right off. And as you can see, it's pretty thick and delicious, might I add. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have not done so already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, so the next step is to make our egg batter for the toast. What we're going to do is take 6 eggs, a tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of cinnamon. Make sure you whip your eggs really good. This is the key to nice, good, fluffy French toast, is whipping your eggs and then adding in your cream, your milk. To this, I'm also going to add just a splash of heavy cream. I didn't quite measure that, so I'm thinking maybe quarter cup. Then I poured it into a shallow dish, and I put the bread inside, and I poured the egg mixture right on top, and it's ready to go. All we gotta do now is cook it. Okay, so now we're going to melt our margarine and add our bread. I use margarine. You can use butter. If I could find some butter, I would have used it. But you people are crazy, okay? So cook it 3 to 4 minutes. Flip, golden brown, and boom. She ready. She ready. Let's get these potatoes ready. They should be first. Slice the potatoes, put a little vegetable oil or grapeseed oil or coconut or whatever oil you have on hand. Put a little bit, drizzle it on there with some Italian seasoning, a little sea salt, black pepper, and some garlic. Heat your oven to 425. Pop them things up in there, let them get crispy, halfway point, flip them over, and then take them out. So, the potatoes are fresh out the oven, guys. I love my potatoes. You know I gotta have them. They're so crispy, so good. That's all you gotta do. Wash the potatoes,
Slice your potatoes, put them on a pan, put some oil on them, some sea salt, some pepper, some garlic, and some Italian seasoning. I'm telling you, so delicious. Now, hop over here to this compote you made. You did your damn thing. It's ready to go. Ready to go. Then you got the French toast that you made. Yes. Thanks, Nevaeh, for the bread, baby. Look at that. That's regular sunlight.
Here's our final product: blueberry French toast and potatoes. Thanks for watching All Things of Life with the Walker family. On up and up. On up.